Ciao Birkin fans, Birkin friends, and Birkin lovers. Michelangelo here from CustomMadeBirkenstocks.com and RepairMyBirkenstocks.com. Today we are going to talk about our new YouTube channel. It is youtube.com at Custom Made by Michelangelo. We already have a bunch of videos on there now, and we will be posting videos regularly. If you live, love, and breathe Birkenstocks, this is the place to be. So make sure you give our videos a thumbs up and subscribe to the subscribe button wherever it may be. Not sure where it is on the screen, but make sure you hit the subscribe button. And check us out. We'll have a lot of great information for the do-it-yourselfer, just care tips, and fun stuff about Birkenstocks. So have a great day, be well, stay safe. Ciao!